Tired of the same old stock look of your car? Want to jazz it up without breaking the bank or your sanity? Well, buckle up because today on Drive and Know, we've got 7 awesome car mods that anyone can do. Seriously, we're talking simple, affordable upgrades that make a big impact. 7. Seat and steering wheel covers. First up, seat covers and a steering wheel cover to match. These are a super easy way to freshen up your ride's interior. New covers protect your original upholstery from wear and spills and let you add a personal style in minutes. They come in tons of colors and materials, leather, fabric, you name it, so you can make your car feel more you. Best part? They're cheap, as little as $40, and install in about 5 to 10 minutes. No mechanic needed. Just slip off the old cover and slide the new one on. Bam, instant cabin upgrade. 6. All-weather floor mats. If you hate cleaning up dirt, coffee stains, or slush that your shoes track in, these mats are a lifesaver. They fit snugly over your car's carpeting and catch mud, snow, sand, anything. When they get dirty, just pull them out and hose them off. These mats are built tough, heavy-duty rubber or thermoplastic to withstand any weather. And installation is as easy as tossing out the old mats and popping the new ones in place. Less than 5 minutes. Beginners love these because they're cheap, around $30 to $100, and literally plug and play. Clean car interior, zero drama. 5. Phone mount and wireless charger. All right, tech time. A simple phone mount, plus a wireless charger, if you're fancy, is one of the safest, smartest mods you can do. Stick the mount on your dash or windshield, pop your phone in, and suddenly GPS, music, and hands-free calls are all at eye level. No more fumbling while you drive. Wireless chargers can even power up your phone without messy cords. These gadgets cost around $10 to $50 and clip on in about 5 to 10 minutes. That's it. Plug in your phone and you're set. It's a practical mod that literally makes driving safer and more convenient. Quick heads up. If you're enjoying these tips, do us a solid and hit that subscribe button to Drive and Know. We've got tons more car hacks and fun coming your way. 4. Window tinting. Now let's cool things down. Window tint isn't just for making your car look sleek. It actually helps in real life. Tinted windows block UV rays and glare, which keeps your car's interior cooler and your skin protected. It also gives you more privacy. Think of it as sunscreen for your car. You can grab DIY tint kits, around $100, or have it done professionally. Either way, this upgrade can usually be done in a few hours and instantly makes your car feel more premium. It's beginner-friendly since many kits come with easy instructions. And once it's on, you'll notice less heat and fewer eye burns from sunlight. Win-win! 3. Rain guards and wind deflectors. Let's take it outside again. Rain guards are little visors you stick above your windows. They let you crack the windows even when it's raining, so fresh air flows in, but rain stays out. No more humidity buildup on rainy drives. They also cut down on wind noise at highway speeds. Installation? Just peel and stick. No drilling required. These cost about $30 to $50 and install in 10 to 20 minutes. For beginners, it's a pain-free mod. Align the strip, press it on, and boom, you've got improved ventilation and a slick side profile for your car. 2. Exhaust tip. Time to give your ride some growl without doing engine surgery. A new muffler tip is like a dress-up for your exhaust. It adds a sporty chrome or carbon fiber look at the rear of your car and can even deepen the exhaust note. More bark, more attitude. Importantly, a bolt-on tip won't actually change your engine or make it illegal. It just screws or clamps on the existing exhaust pipe. Most tips run $50 to $200 and take about 30 to 60 minutes to fit. No welding, no cutting, just secure it on. Beginners love this because the payoff is instant. Cooler sound and style with almost zero fuss. Hey, if you're digging these mods, make sure to smash that subscribe button. We drop new car tip videos all the time, and you won't want to miss what's next. 1. LED light upgrades. Swap out your old halogen bulbs for LED ones and watch your car shine. LEDs are brighter, longer lasting, and use less battery power. You can do headlights, taillights, brake lights, or even fun interior lights. Most LED replacements are plug and play. They use the exact same socket as the old bulb. In other words, you pop out the old bulb and snap in the LED, no modifications needed. The result? Way better visibility at night, plus that cool modern glow on the inside. LEDs reduce maintenance. They last 5 to 10 times longer and instantly give your car a high-tech vibe. It's a tiny change that makes a big difference in safety and style. If you haven't yet, subscribe to Drive and Know for more tutorials and tips. There you have it. 7 easy and affordable mods to kickstart your car customization journey. With just simple tools and a bit of time, you've totally amped up your ride's style, comfort, and fun factor. Which mod are you trying first? Drop a comment below and let us know. And remember, this is just the beginning. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep making your car uniquely yours. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there on the road, and I'll see you in the next video.